AB Sound Advice. Today we are doing a product preview on the new SoundQubed U1-1500. So it's the U1-1500, which is a 1500 monoblock amplifier. So let's take a quick look at the specs on this. Again, it's a one-channel full-range D-class amplifier. We have at 14.41 ohm at 1500 RMS. We also at 14.4 at 2 ohm get 750 RMS, and at 14.4 at 4 ohm 500 RMS. Now, input sensitivity, we've got 200 millivolts, and our signal to noise ratios at 100 dB. Frequency response between 10 and 20 hertz. Crossover, we have high pass, low pass. Bass boost, we have thermal management smart cooling system. It has a fan powered by temperature or audio input impedance of 56 ohms. It has a protection circuit for short, high and low thermal protection. It also will operate between 9 volt and 16 volt. Now the other thing that's quite cool about this, and when I lift the amp up and show you, there's some 3 little LEDs, and those are the LEDs. They've got the power status, the clipping and the protection LEDs now on the side of the amplifier, which is quite cool. If you're doing the tuning down near the amp, you can actually see that on the amplifier, so you can adjust to suit your system. So let's take a look at the amp. First off, the power side. Clearly you can run anything right up to a 0 gauge cable into the side of here, so you get your 12 volts memory, which is the remote wire, and your ground, and then we'll spin the amplifier around the other side, and we have your RCA input, speaker output, and again these are minimum 1 ohm, so these amplifiers are 1 ohm stable, and they're not going to deal with half ohm loads, so just minimum 1 ohm. If you play there, you'll have no problems whatsoever. You've got your high, your low crossover, gain, and your bass boost, and your remote for the bass controller. And then again, that's the front of the amplifier. So this is the SoundQubed U1-1500. So also we have the bass controller, which you can see there, and again, nice bass controller power light, so you know that the unit's on. Also comes with the pack with your screws, your Allen keys to hook up the cabling. So well and well, nice weighty unit, and again, SoundQubed have been around for a very, very long time. They make a lot of SPL product, and if you're looking for a solid, big power system, this is a decent, solid amplifier. It's got that real American feel to it. Nice, solid, big amps. It's not a huge amp, but it's just fatter than most amplifiers, and it's got a nice, good feel to it. So if you're looking for something with a good, solid 1500 RMS at 1 ohm, you're not going to go past the SoundQubed U1-1500. Alright, now if you'd like more information about the product, you can go onto soundqubed.com. And again, thank you for tuning into AB Sound Advice.